Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 1091 South Lake Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is a spectacular ranch home with 70 feet of beautiful waterfront. So let's take a tour.
Waterfront homes are always filled with character and charm. And this one is no exception, with a new granite kitchen with white cabinetry, tile floors, and a dining area with a traditional wood stove. Open to a spacious living room that is all about the water view with an expansive window, beam ceilings, and a classic wood-burning fireplace. This wonderful ranch home also features 2 spacious bedrooms with hardwood floors, plus an updated bathroom and laundry.
This spacious front porch is great for entertaining and to take in those beautiful lake views.
This property is situated on an acre lot with great privacy and room for expandability. There's nothing like the lake lifestyle with 70 feet of shale beach and breathtaking views.
South Lake Road is a very special part of Canandaigua Lake. Enjoy the afternoon sun and sunsets. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 1091 South Lake Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!